Hey everyone, welcome to this week's edition of Tech Tips. For this week, we're going to be covering some of the new options in the Modular Command that'll be available in our next release. So I have a pretty simple model group here with just 2 panels, and I can go ahead and copy that onto all my identical model groups. So this window is now a bit different. You do have the option of continuing the numbering like we had before. Every panel will get a unique number. Or now you can keep the original numbering so all identical panels have the exact same panel name and same panel number. The other thing that's changed is we now have this idea of a parent panel or a master panel, and this is basically the panel that you'll use to make all of your changes with, and then all of your child panels will then be locked to this parent panel. Kind of similar to the template map in terms of idea, but you basically have a master model group that you'll work with and make all of your changes to, and then those changes can reflect on all of your child panels and child model groups. So I'm going to go ahead and select this as my parent panel or my parent model group, and I'm going to go ahead and copy that onto the rest of my model groups. So once everything is copied out, we do now have a group panel manager. So you can come in here and it'll essentially show your parent groups and the respective child groups. You can click on it and it'll take you to the panel in the project. But the other thing that you can also see now is all of these child panels are locked, and they are locked to the original parent panel. If ever you do want to export this table as well, just to have on file, you can export that to a simple Excel file. And if you do try and make any kind of modifications to any of these child groups, you will get an error message saying that it is locked, and it will be locked to the original parent panel. So any kind of changes that you did want to make, you can do to the parent, and then you can go ahead and match properties, and of course it'll update that on all the child model groups. So those are some new updates to come with our new modular command.